Hello students, I Prabha Sharma. Welcome you again to the next topic of the introductions of accounting. Today we will discuss about the concept of accounting informations and the types of the accounting information. But when I am talking about the accounting information, I am talking about the analysis, interpretations and the communications to the different users. These informations are to be used for providing the information to the different users. So first of all, try to understand the concept of the accounting information. Accounting information is a service activity. The service activity refers to providing the qualitative information in the terms of money to the different users for making the decision with their own concern. But before to provide the accounting information, there is a need to use the complete accounting process. Means the entry with the financial natures and the till the preparation of the final account may be called as the analysis. Analysis and the interpretations. Means the final account is to be prepared. Only then the information as a quality can be used. So the generation of information is not a end itself. It is only the way to providing the communications to the different users. And if the users are demanding the information in other way, it is also to be needed to change according to the requirement. So again, listen, the topic is based on the accounting information. After completing the accounting process, only the informations can be derived. Only then the informations can be provided to the other users. Only then the informations can be called as the qualitative based. So the next is related with the types of the accounting informations now. Now you may try to understand here we are using the types of accounting information. The number one is informations relating to the profit or surplus. When I'm talking about the profit, I'm talking about profit concern. When I'm talking about the surplus, that means the for the service sector. So the business is concerned with the both goods sector as well as to the service sector. So generally, the both prepare their own final accounts to derive the results in the same manner. The first is the accounting informations to the profit or the surplus. In this account, the business organizations are preparing for deriving the profit trading accounts and the profit and loss accounts. The trading accounts provide the gross profit knowledge or the gross loss knowledge, and the profit and loss account is providing the net profit or the net loss knowledge. When I'm saying for the gross profit or the gross loss, it means the trading account is telling the business is capable to cover the cost of the material or not. Because if a business is covering the cost of the material, only then the other expenditures can be covered. So the profit and loss account is telling the covering of the other expenditures and the other income also. But trading account showing the income from the goods natures only. For that, the business is set up. But when I'm talking about the surplus, for the service sector is preparing the income and expenditures account in place of the trading and profit loss account for deriving the surplus or deficit. In the same, the second point is informations related to the financial positions. The business entities needs to prepare the balance sheets to know the financial position, and the financial positions can be derived if assets are more than the liabilities, outside liabilities, only then the business is solvent. Otherwise, the business may be declared insolvent. So, the balance sheet is providing the disclosure of assets, liabilities, and the capitals. So, it means balance sheet is telling you the capitals nature item, and the information to the profit or loss providing you the revenue nature item related to 12 months periods, and the financial position is showing the more than the 12 months items will carry forward as the balances. The third point is the information about the cash flow. Cash flow statement is prepared to know about the inflow of cash as well as the outflow of cash, and then the main object is to derive the net balance of the cash during a particular period, because this provides the liquidity of the organization. With this liquidity, the business can take the decision. The business is in the capable to pay the liabilities, payment of the dividend, or the expansion of the business only can be used. So this provide the knowledge of the cash is available in the business. So again, listen, the first of all, the accounting informations means that should be qualitative, because this information is to providing the different users. And the sources are profit and loss account, tradings account, balance sheet, and the cash flow statement. These are the three statements are needed to be prepared and to derive the results of the net profit or loss as well as the financial position of the business or the net balance available in the business. So these are the information which can be used for the accounting information. Thank you.